Hello, mommies. Good morning. Just sharing a quick look at my breakfast routine, and yes, Anmang Maternal Light is always part of it. Naubos na pala yung isang box ko, kaya ito, nag-open na naman ako ng bago. By the way, each box has 10 sachets and sakto lang for everyday use. Alam niyo ba, sa lahat ng maternity milk na natry ko, dito lang talaga ako na in love sa Anma Maternal Light. I love the smell and the taste. Light lang siya, not too sweet and hindi nakakaumay. Parang chocolate milk na pang mami talaga. Anyway, ito nga pala yung breakfast ko today. Bihon, bread, egg, laswa, and of course, 1 glass of Anma Maternal Light. This combo is my favorite, kaya tara, kain tayo guys! I know na marami sa ating mga buntis na ayaw talaga sa maternity milk. Pero si Anma Maternal Light is really different. I don't know why, basta masarap talaga siya mga momshies. So if you're looking for a healthy way to start your mornings, try Anma Maternal Light. Masarap na, may nutrients pa. We deserve this, mommies.